This is a Unirac quick tip on the trim rail installation for SFM Infinity. At this point, you should have completed the layout, flashings, sliders, and carefully aligned the trim rail attachments. Start by laying out the sections of the trim rail front side up to match the length of the south row. The last piece can be cut to length if needed. Slide one hex bolt per trim attachment into the bolt slot on the trim rail. Then align the assembled trim with the edge of the array and secure it to the attachments by lightly tightening the tri-drive nut onto the hex bolt. At the first joint, insert the splice into the trim until it contacts the vertical tab on the alignment clip. Always check to make sure that both sections of the trim rail are flush against the vertical tab of the alignment clip on the trim rail splice. Level the trim rail, then fully tighten the tri-drive nuts. Next, locate the approximate quarter points of each module along the trim rail and install trim clips at these points. To do this, find the notch on the module clip labeled with the correct module thickness. Align the notch with the rib in the trim rail, then secure it with the provided tri-drive nut and T-bolt. Lastly, finish the trim with end caps. They provide a clean aesthetic and prevent pests from nesting inside. Just align the end cap with the trim rail and apply pressure until fully seated.